Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we are going to see how you can disable the use of switch access in the settings. So it's from the accessibility settings. Just go in the settings here and just scroll all the way down until you see some additional settings, or in some cases, you will see this special function right here. So just go to the special function and just scroll all the way down again until you see this accessibility option. And now this is the switch access, right? This icon. So if you want to turn this off, just go in settings, in special functions, in the accessibility menu, we have this. So just turn this off from here. And as we can see, now it is removed. If you want to change some of the settings, for example, you want to change it to large buttons or make some of the settings here, you can customize that. But that's pretty much it. This is how you can turn off the accessibility menu or the switch access button, which is disturbing you in your every screen. So this is how you can do this. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, just subscribe to our channel and turn off the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.